Alright, so here's the Montgomery Ward hydrostatic fixed. Been a bit of work, not too bad really, but getting everything done. The battery wires had shorted out. See if I can show you here. You can see it's missing some insulation and some wire, so it was pretty bad. And then right now I've got new wires on there for ground and for positive. I did a pipe. We'll see how it does. I wanted to try to keep it away from anything rubbing, since the original one, or the one that was in there, was shorted and messed up. Now this is the replacement carburetor I purchased online. I'll if you need the information, I can put that probably online. It definitely went in nice and easy. Had all the same connectors. Replaced the fuel line with the filter. The tank was pretty clean. Had a little stuff in there, but cleaned right up. The battery is just one temporarily to get it running. Now what's interesting is the cables for choke has kind of got a lot of rust on there. You can see the rust. I had to work it back and forth to get it finally moving, so hopefully it'll work all right. The cable for the throttle should be on this throttle lever here, but it's busted and they didn't replace that one. They just threw in this odd one here, so it's a little sticky, so I may end up replacing that. But we're gonna go ahead and just try it with fuel in there now. We did replace the oil. It was sludgy, so that we got cleaned out, and we're gonna give it a go. All right, here we go.
Sure, it's flooded. Raining cats and dogs out of there. So, don't think it needs to be flooded. I mean, choked at all.
I'm not hearing spark. I need to pull that spark plug.
Have you looked at it?
Nope.
Not yet.
I'm hoping for the best.
I see. Well, just pull the plug.
Alright.
I know it fired the other day, but what I saw pouring out of that carburetor, it's pretty flooded.
Well, I took the cover off just so I could kind of take a look in there. From what I've seen online, this is actually pretty clean. So I'm pleased with that. So, and the hours says 242.5, which is nice. but I'm still working on trying to figure out what the previous owner has done, because they've got some push button up over here, and I'm gonna have to take off the dash, I guess, to figure out what wires they got going where. I'm thinking some of it's for their CB that they had on the side here. And you can tell it's an old one, so I don't know, maybe it came from the factory that way. Whoops, realistic. So pretty funny. I don't know that that was an option or not, but we'll keep messing with it, see if we can figure out, because right now it's turning over, but I don't seem to be getting a spark, so got to figure out what switch is causing it to stop. I'm going to follow these wires for the CB, see if I can get that pulled out so there's no conflict there. And I know I've got fuel line that's still showing fuel in there. Carburetor I think is doing fine. So there was an extra wire that they had, that yellow one there went all the way up into the dash area, which again I think is for the CB. So I'll have to dig in there and find out what we need and don't need, and hopefully that'll get us our spark that we're missing to the engine. So alrighty, but yeah, I'm still amazed. I mean, even underneath the lid here is pretty clean. I can see though, I think there was some work done, because I see tape on the hydraulic lines, which is not a bad thing. I don't mind that. So alright, hope I get back at it. Catch you later.